Born This Way was one of Lady Gaga's album titles, but it also became her slogan and encapsulated everything that she stood for: inclusivity, which gave her brand meaning and connected with their fans in the crowded marketplace. If you're struggling to stand out in the crowded marketplace, then a brand slogan just might be the thing you need. A brand slogan is a short, catchy phrase designed to stick in the minds of your customers. In this video, I'm going to give you 5 iconic slogan examples and 5 tips for how you can create a slogan of your own. Don't worry, you're in good hands. I literally wrote the book on music marketing. Just be sure to like and subscribe, and let's get this video started. Number 1, that little old band from Texas. The classic rock group ZZ Top used the slogan, "That little old band from Texas," to clearly describe who they are, what they do, and the Texas blues music that you can expect from them. That little slogan worked wonders for the band. Number 2, Fine Malt Lyrics. The classic rappers House of Pain used the slogan, "Fine Malt Lyrics," to describe their Irish roots, their lyrical prowess, and the unique benefit they offer. All I need to hear is Fine Malt Lyrics, and I know exactly what I'm gonna get. Number 3, Search and Destroy. Classic punk rocker Henry Rollins used the slogan "Search and Destroy" in his logo, on t-shirts, and even as a tattoo on his back to communicate his punk rock mission. Search and Destroy became synonymous with Henry Rollins. Number 4, the hottest band in the world. The classic rock group Kiss used the slogan, "You wanted the best, you got the best." The hottest band in the world, every time they opened up one of their live performances, as a promise to how they were going to outperform any other band in the world. Tell people you're the best in your slogan, deliver on it, and people will believe you're the best. Number 5, high voltage rock and roll. The classic rock group ACDC used the slogan "High voltage rock and roll" in all of their marketing, and even as a song title and album title too, to clearly and succinctly describe their electrifying sound. High voltage rock and roll and ACDC wore one. Did I leave anybody out? How about Chappell Roan's "I'm Your Favorite Artist's Favorite Artist," or Lizzo's "Love Yourself," or Drake's "YOLO, You Only Live Once"? Are these casual catchphrases or are they actually slogans? Be sure to leave your comments below, but most importantly, now let's talk about how to create a slogan for your brand. Number 1, give it meaning. Try to create a slogan that really captures the core values or what you stand for, particularly if you know that that's going to connect and provide meaning to your target audience, like Lady Gaga's "Born This Way," that really connected with the LGBTQ rights community. Number 2, describe your brand. Try to create a slogan that really helps people understand a little bit more about what you do or the style of music you play, like ZZ Top slogan, "That little old band from Texas," or ACDC slogan, "High voltage rock and roll." Number 3, provide a benefit. If possible, try to create a slogan that tells the customer a little bit more about what's in it for them and what you're going to offer them. For example, like House of Pain slogan, "Fine Malt Lyrics." Number 4, declare superiority. Another approach to creating a brand slogan is to boldly tell people that you are the best. Like Kiss's "You wanted the best, you got the best," the hottest rock band in the world. But you have to be careful about taking this approach because obviously you have to be able to back it up. And number 5, make it short and sweet. Be sure to create a brand slogan that is short and to the point and is going to stick in the minds of your fans. You want to think of your slogan as a shortcut to their mind, so it needs to be punchy, whether it's Lady Gaga's "Born This Way" or Henry Rollins' "Search and Destroy." All of the slogans that I've given you today are short and sweet and easily memorable by your target audience. Branding is not easy, but if you can create a slogan that helps to make you stand out in the crowded marketplace, it's definitely a plus. Since logos and slogans go together, be sure to check out this next video on creating an amazing logo. My name is Bobby Borg, helping musicians turn their art into a more successful business. Peace, love, and later.